What's up, everyone? This is Drew. You already read the title, so you know what we're here to do. We're going to review the Purdy Painter's Storage Box. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so of course they know some painters are crazy and not very intelligent. So not all of them, just some of them. There's a select few out there. So they don't want you to sit on it, obviously. They don't want you to step on it, because I could see some helper, thinking he could just step on it. But if you pay for this, you're not going to want to be stepping on it at all, because if you have a contract, or if you're a contractor and you have a thing set up with Sherwin-Williams, these are about $280 before tax. And I have another rolling thing that's obviously not paint and not for painters, but this handle is a little flimsy, and for 280 bucks, I don't know. You got two ports to put your poles. They say that these are replaceable. They seem pretty sturdy and loose. Anyways, let's open these up. You can see from the picture on there. Now, I haven't really put anything in these. It does have a little spot you could put a lock if you needed to, which that's nice. Got a little storage compartment in here. Got one of these. They do not come with it. Okay, so that's the top one. Let's get these off of here. I thought I unlatched it. I did unlatch it. Okay. Okay, again, more signs. Really, I mean, these are definitely for your professional painter. The one thing I do think is a little janky, and I wish they would have, I don't know, used aluminum or used something else other than, these are just cheap plastic. These are going to break. I mean, yeah, they do provide, more hooks for you, but I mean, come on, 280 bucks. I've got the other rolling cart thing when I do rough carpentry and do other things, and that handle's pretty damn solid, and there's nothing, flimsy or cheap on it. So, more signs. Well, here you go. Just in case you forgot, and you're, finishing up on a job. I never drink on the job, though. Even if the customer offers, I still don't. Okay. Which I've had a few people offer, but no thank you. But really, I mean, this will solve some problems that I have, which is mainly I need everything to be mobile. You know what I mean? So I still got the backpack, but I'm going to keep my main stuff in there. And then I'm going to kind of keep my surplus of stuff over here. This will be mainly for when I do like interior job. This will be great. And a lot of the people I work for I already know. So I can actually leave my stuff at their house and they don't mind. So that's great. And if not, it's mobile. You can just wheel it around. They do have a picture. Let me see if I can't lift this up. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So they do have a picture of, a paint can right there. I don't think I'll be putting any paint cans in here. Now, maybe one. They've got a picture of one. Excuse me. So they have a picture of one, whatever. But again, I'm going to be able to take mainly all my interior stuff out of there. And then, especially in the summertime when I'm redoing a bunch of decks, I'll just take the bag. And it'll lighten up the bag too, and that'll be nice. But I will say, this is a little overkill you know, for this. All in all, I think it's pretty nice. I don't, is it worth $280? I mean, it is pretty rugged. If it was like, even like $250, which what I think is going to happen is this is kind of like the first iteration of this. So I think that maybe a little bit down the line, maybe even next year, maybe they'll come out with something that's a little bit more rugged. In that case, you know, if you don't need your stuff to be mobile, but man, if you just wheel everything in, like all my drop cloths, I'm going to put in there. That way, I mean, I have to take them in and out of the vehicle anyways. But I do, this is what I was saying. So I have another storage compartment that is, it's just a storage, it's like a Sterilite that has a gasket around it. And I have two of them, and I put all my drywall tools in one of them. And then I put all my painting tools in another one. And then I have socket set underneath of it, and it goes inside a lockable, like, flight ATA case that's made for music gear. But, you know, ATA cases or flight cases are made for whatever you want to put in them. So that's mounted in the vehicle, and I just have those in there, and then I lock it. Well, that's great, but it's also kind of a pain. You know, I'm rarely ever grabbing something out of there and then taking it into where I live, you know, whether it be to clean it or anything. I don't leave any brushes or anything like that in there, but what I'm saying is it'll eliminate some of that for me, and I'll be able to put something else in there, you know. But same way with the drop cloths. Drop cloths can go in here. This will be great for me, you know. So now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it, which kind of running out of room here, people. So that's another thing. So again, I appreciate everybody that watches. If you think I earned it, you know, again, yeah, whatever. Hit that like. Let's get the fucking algorithm going and blah blah blah. Okay, take care.